One of the things I hear all the time is, I would love to meditate, but I don't have time. And honestly, as a caregiver, I get it. Most days I'm doing laundry, I'm washing dishes, driving somewhere, taking care of someone, taking care of 100 little things. So what if meditation wasn't another thing on your to-do list? What if it could happen right in the middle of your life? Perhaps it's thinking, as I fold this towel, I fold this towel. I'm not thinking about tomorrow's appointments, not the conversation that I need to have, or I'm not thinking of the thing that I forgot to do. I'm just concentrating on this towel. In yoga, there's a concept called Santosha. Often it's translated as the word contentment. It's not because everything is easy, and it's definitely not because everything is perfect. It's because we're willing to be present with what is. Maybe meditation isn't escaping your life. Maybe it's returning to it. One breath, one dish, one towel at a time. And if you're holding it all together right now, maybe your meditation doesn't need to happen on a cushion. Maybe it could happen right here. I want to read a quick story that is by one of my favorite authors, Alan Cohen. It's called Pots and Earth. You may have seen a poster suggesting bloom where you're planted, meaning that the best place for you to grow and express your gifts is right where you are. This is excellent advice. We all could benefit from applying it. Yet there's another path of growth through which you end up blooming elsewhere than you were originally planted. If you want to grow a plant, there are two ways to do it. Number one, you get a plant seed or a cutting right into the ground and let it grow wherever it will live. Number two, you can plant a seed or cutling in a flower pot, nurture it in the greenhouse, and then, when it's stronger and more mature, transplant it to a location where it will ultimately blossom. I met a woman who jokingly referred to her relationship with her former husband as my practice marriage. She wed this man at a young age and stayed with him for a few years. The couple divorced, and a number of years later, she married a man with whom she stayed with for the rest of her life. In her mind, the second marriage was her real one, and the first was a warm-up. In a sense, she started her marriage journey in the flower pot, and later she was transplanted to a patch of earth where she could grow deep roots, extend long branches, and display her colorful flowers. Likewise, you may be in a job, a relationship, or a living situation that is not your ideal or your ultimate position. Yet you are growing, learning, and developing insights and skills that will ultimately serve you in a situation that is your idea. Your time in the flower pot is no less real or important than your ultimate desirable situation. Do not bemoan, regret, or criticize such an experience. Instead, honor and appreciate it, for it has value in itself and prepares you for even better. I am grateful for all of my relationships and experiences, for they have contributed to the betterment and success. Blessings.